Hi, and welcome to this short video where I'm going to show you new ways you can access and analyze equity options in the bar chart website. Stock, ETF, and index options are available from their underlying symbol pages and also using the options pages and options screeners on the site. When you look at different data tables on the site, you're going to notice a links column on the far right. You'll find that in every data table. And if you open that up, it's going to allow you to go to the options quote page for the underlying equity. Notice in the left navigation, there are a number of other pages for options. The options prices page allows you to choose expiration date, the number of strikes you wish to view, either a stacked or a side-by-side view, and you can also choose to display a volume graph. Notice again the links column. Let me show you then how to access these option quotes. Open up the links column for the strike price that you're interested in, and you can choose Quote Overview to go directly to that options quote page. Once you're on an options quote page, you can select from any of the links on the left side of the page. If you'd like to return to the underlying equities page, we provide an easy link right here for you to do so. Notice the watch list icon on the top of the page. This is where you can add an option to your watch list. Watch lists are found in your Tools menu. And here you can see the option we just added. You can view flip charts or you can download the data. And once again on your watch list, you see that links column again. And you can add it directly to a portfolio if you've made an option trade and want to track the profit and loss. The options section also contains other pages such as the unusual options activity, highest implied volatility, and more. And each of these pages also contain the links column. As you can see, we provide many ways for you to navigate around options on the site. You can add an option directly to your watch list or portfolio as long as you know the symbology that bar chart uses for these. Option symbols are formatted in the following manner. First comes the underlying symbol, the pipe symbol, the option expiration date formatted as a 4-digit year, a 2-digit month, and a 2-digit day, followed by another pipe symbol, and then the option strike price, including the decimal point and a C for call or P for put. The search box at the very top of the site also lets you search for equity options using the same formatting. I hope this short tutorial helps you uncover ways to monitor and track your options on the barchart.com website.